In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your Mac. So what we need to do firstly is to just go into settings on our Mac. So we're just going to go into settings here, as you can see, and then click on Bluetooth right here. So now we need to actually make sure that the Bluetooth is on right here, which it is for me. So we need to focus on nearby devices and try to find our PlayStation controller. But the other thing you need to do is to click on the PlayStation logo here, and also this button right here, and then click and hold. You can see this light is very good. It indicates that it's now put into pairing mode. So now when it's put into pairing mode, you will most likely be able to see DualSense wireless controller right here. So click on this one right here. Now it's connected. So my PlayStation 5 controller is now connected to my Mac. And yeah, you can see right here, this is for Steam. So yeah, if you have Steam, you should be able to check this setting as well. But basically, this is exactly how to do this.